In this video, I will walk you through how to connect Tradovate to TradingView. Tradovate is commonly used for futures trading, and connecting it to TradingView allows you to manage your trades directly from the TradingView chart. To begin, open TradingView in your browser and log in to your account. Once you are inside TradingView, open the chart page. You can do this by selecting any market or by clicking on Chart from the main menu. After the chart loads, look near the top right area of the screen and click on the Trade button. This will bring up the Trading Connection panel. Inside this panel, you will see different brokers supported by TradingView. Now search for Tradovate. When Tradovate appears in the list, click on it to open the connection option. Next, select Connect. TradingView will now ask you to sign in with your Tradovate account. Enter your Tradovate username and password carefully. If you are using a demo account, make sure you select the demo option if it appears. If you are using a live account, choose the live account option instead. After entering your login details, continue with the connection process. You may need to approve the connection or complete any security verification required by Tradovate. Once the login is confirmed, TradingView will connect to your Tradovate account. After that, you should be able to see your account inside the TradingView trading panel. From here, you can check your account balance, view open positions, and place futures trades directly from the chart. Before placing any order, make sure you review the contract, quantity, order type, stop loss, and take profit, because futures trading can move very quickly. And that's it. You have successfully connected Tradovate to TradingView.